Okay. So this time, I will give you a crash course on selective breeding. So para mas maintindihan natin kung ano nga ba ang selective breeding. So selective breeding is also called as artificial selection. So proseso ito kung saan nagbi-breed ang mga tao ng halaman o hayop for a particular genetic characteristics. Actually, this is being done for thousands of years. Magsimula nung nag-breed tayo ng food crops na naani natin from wild plants at nung nag-start na din tayo mag-domesticate ng animals. So 10,000 years na ang nakakaraan. So this is a time that man made a transition from being hunter-gatherers to farmer and growers. That time, di na natin need na mag-wander around, no, or mag-hunt para magkaroon ng food supply. So, if you are familiar with wheat or yung trigo, mga beans, peas, yung green peas, rice, patatas, yung mga root crops natin, lahat yun ay na-cultivate ng mga sinaunang tao. So, nagsimula din tayong magpaamo o mag-tame ng mga hayop para sa gatas, karne, at balat na ginagamit dati sa taglamig. Yung mga naunang na nag-domesticate ng animals or yung mga naunang na-domesticate na animals ay kambing, goat, so manok, at saka tupa. So goat, chicken, and sheep sila yung mga nauna. Tapos sumunod na yung mga mas malalaking hayop tulad ng kabayo, baka, or yung mga ox na ginamit noon na pang-araro at para sa paglalakbay, no, for traveling. Because of that, a few people na lang yung need na mag-provide ng madaming food at dahil naging predictable na yung food, it led to increase in population. Kaya nagsimula na mag-travel yung tao, no? Makipag-trade or makipag-barter at makipag-communicate sa iba pang mga tao. Nagkaroon ng maliliit na grupo yung tao hanggang naging village yun, then naging city. And usually, yung mga city na yun, malalapit yun sa mga fields, sa mga halamanan kung saan nandoon yung products nila. Kaya naman, no, yung civilization ay na-found or they are founded upon selective breeding. So, how does selective breeding work pa talaga? So, parents from a desired population are selected from a mixed population and are bred together. From their offspring, those with the desired characteristics are then also bred together. This continued over many generations until all the offspring show the desired characteristics. Isipin nyo na lang lahat ng breed ng dog na meron tayo ngayon, lahat ito ay selectively bred mula sa common na wolf ancestor, no? The desired characteristics that we select for can be chosen for their usefulness or appearance, no? For example, ano ba yung usefulness? No, meron tayong mga crops na insect and disease resistant, no? Especially yun nga yung mga food crops natin. And how does this happen? By breeding them from naturally uh, resistant na individuals or plants para maka-increase tayo ng ani. Pati yung mga animals na nagpo-produce ng mas madaming meat, no, at milk para natin mas marami tayong ma-harvest. So, we have our domestic dogs that may be gentle in nature. We have already made some large and unusual flowers. Tignan lang natin yung mga chicken natin. In more than 50 years, it's over 4 times bigger due to selective breeding. So, meron naman tayong tinatawag na term na inbreeding. By inbreeding parents that are closely related, negative outcomes can or may arise. Their offspring will share their similar genes, no, which can make more diseases more dangerous, as all individuals have the same weaknesses. Yun yung tinatawag nilang reduced gene pool. This will make them more vulnerable as they may have less chance of being able to adapt to changes in the environment, such as climate change. There is also an increased risk of genetic diseases caused by recessive genes. Kaya pag relatives o kamag-anak o iisang lineage lang yung tao, scientifically dangerous na mag-merge yung gene nila. Especially if you have heard of the term incest, no? Even sa animals, no, hindi lang sa tao, no? So automatic na lalabas o mai-inherit o mamamana ng anak nila yung diseases na meron na yung family. If you are familiar with the white tiger, so good example yon ng severe mutation due to inbreeding, na-create sila, maganda oo physically, no? Kasi albino sila, white sila. Pero maliit yung chance nila ng survival sa wild because nawawala yung kanilang natural camouflage, no, with the grass. And maliit din yung chance nila na makapag-reproduce. Ganun din yung mataas na risk na magkaroon sila ng diseases at madali silang mamatay compared sa normal or natural tigers. So we have been selectively breeding for thousands of years, getting closer and closer to our desired goal with each generation of offspring. So nowadays, we have faster ways of doing it, which is one of our last topic from previous lesson. Did you remember? Genetic engineering. So now we can transplant a gene for a desired characteristics straight into an organism. So that would be all. I hope you understand our lesson in evolution, genetics, and experience.